Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best leather cleaner available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: Car Guys Leather Cleaner. Super Cleaner stands out as an all-in-one detailing solution that delivers impressive cleaning performance across a wide range of surfaces without the hassle of using multiple products. Whether tackling leather seats, fabric upholstery, carpets, vinyl trim, rubber mats, plastic panels, or even metal accents, it effectively breaks down stubborn dirt, grease, and spills with minimal scrubbing. The no-rinse formula makes the cleaning process fast and convenient. Simply spray, agitate with the included professional microfiber towel, and wipe away the grime in a single pass. Unlike many interior cleaners, it leaves behind no sticky residue or greasy film, resulting in a natural, fresh finish that feels truly clean. The generous 18-ounce bottle lasts through numerous cleaning sessions, making it a cost-effective choice for maintaining multiple vehicles or household surfaces. Backed by a zero-risk policy, Super Cleaner offers excellent value, convenience, and reliable performance for everyday cleaning needs. Next up, we have Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner. The Chemical Guys Complete Leather Care Kit is a well-rounded solution for anyone looking to preserve the appearance and longevity of leather surfaces. The two-step system starts with a pH-balanced cleaner that effectively removes embedded dirt, body oils, and everyday grime without stripping the leather, followed by a nourishing conditioner that restores softness, flexibility, and a rich, natural finish. Suitable for natural, synthetic, and sealed leather, it works just as well on car seats as it does on furniture, jackets, shoes, handbags, and other leather accessories. The formulas absorb evenly without leaving a greasy residue, helping reduce the risk of cracking, fading, and drying over time. Both beginners and experienced detailers will appreciate the simple application process and consistent results. With generous 16-ounce bottles and a trusted reputation among automotive enthusiasts, this kit offers excellent value for maintaining leather in like-new condition for years to come. Coming in at number 3: Wyman Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner and conditioner is an excellent all-in-one solution for maintaining the beauty and durability of finished leather. Its powerful formula effectively removes dirt, body oils, grime, and residue while deeply conditioning the surface to restore softness, flexibility, and a refreshed appearance. Whether used on car seats, leather furniture, jackets, handbags, shoes, saddles, or other leather accessories, it delivers consistent results without leaving behind a greasy or sticky residue. The added UV protection helps guard against fading, drying, discoloration, and cracking caused by prolonged sun exposure, extending the life of leather surfaces. Safe for all finished in faux leather, it provides reliable everyday care while preserving the material's natural texture and finish. Easy to apply and quick to absorb, this versatile treatment simplifies leather maintenance, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional quality cleaning, conditioning, and long-lasting protection in a single product. Now at number 4: Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner delivers an impressive combination of powerful cleaning performance and long-lasting protection in a convenient spray formula. It quickly lifts dirt, body oils, stains, and everyday grime while remaining gentle enough for regular use on finished leather, vinyl, faux leather, vegan leather, plastic, and rubber surfaces. The advanced UV protectant is a standout feature, helping prevent fading, drying, and cracking caused by prolonged sun exposure, making it especially valuable for vehicle interiors and outdoor leather goods. Its pH-balanced, non-toxic formula is free from PFAS and harsh chemicals, making it safe for families, pets, and delicate leather finishes without leaving behind sticky residue or overpowering fragrances. Suitable for everything from car seats and furniture to handbags, shoes, and tack, it offers exceptional versatility. Backed by over 5 decades of American craftsmanship and trusted by leather professionals, this cleaner is a dependable choice for preserving the appearance, softness, and durability of premium leather products. And finally, our last pick: Rain-X Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner and conditioner offers an efficient all-in-one solution for keeping leather surfaces clean, soft, and well protected. Its advanced formula easily removes stubborn stains while simultaneously conditioning and moisturizing the leather, restoring its natural appearance without leaving streaks, greasy residue, or an oily feel. Enhanced with Rain-X technology, it creates a protective barrier that helps repel future spills and stains, making routine maintenance quicker and reducing the chance of permanent marks. The conditioner keeps leather supple and helps prevent it from drying out, preserving its original texture and finish over time. A fresh, pleasant scent replaces odors without being overpowering, leaving interiors feeling refreshed after every application. Beyond automotive use, it performs equally well on leather furniture, handbags, shoes, and other everyday leather items, making it a versatile addition to any cleaning routine. Easy to apply and highly effective, it delivers professional-looking results with minimal effort. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.